Are you tired of repeatedly cleaning the mold in your bathroom? But have you ever thought of why does the mold grow especially in the bathroom? Mold grows in the humid condition. Moisture and heat that is present in your bathroom which causes a humid environment which is ideal for mold to begin to grow. Every time when you take shower, which creates the humidity level to go up in the bathroom. The microscopic organism and dust in the air and on the surface of the bathroom which feeds the mold, resulting in rapid spreading of the mold to grow. There are various factors to determine when to replace the caulk. If you have any pre-existing mold problems or if the mold is beneath the surface of the caulk, then it is time to replace the caulk. Or say that if your caulk is more than 5 years old and if you notice any crack or peeling or any missing caulk, then it is time to replace. The tools that is needed to remove the existing caulking are: one is the multifunctional painter's tool or a putty knife. You also need a caulk removing tool and a utility knife. Before applying the new caulk, you must always remove the old caulk. You can use a utility knife or putty knife slicing through the caulk and see it can be easily peeled. This part is a little bit tougher, so best use these tools and see whichever way is easier. For tougher caulk, if the caulk is harder to remove, you can also buy the caulk remover which is available in Lowe's or Home Depot. Just spray the solution on the caulk and the caulk becomes softer and it can be easily removed after that. When you are trying to scrape with the utility knife, so be careful and make sure that you are not damaging the tile or the surrounding area. After removing the old caulking, there may still be some residue left over. To remove the residue, you can use a dry non-abrasive pad to cover the entire caulking surface. After cleaning the old caulk, I am adding bleach in a spray bottle. I am directly adding the bleach, I am not applying any water to it. Spray the bleach solution, do not rinse, let the bleach dry completely. Once after the bleach is completely dried, so use a painter's tape. So if you are a beginner, lay parallel strips of painter's tape about like ½ inch apart on the surface where you want to caulk. That open area between the tape will guide for your caulk, so make sure that it is perfectly straight before moving on to your next step. Next step is caulking. So for caulking, all you need is a caulk gun and a caulk. So here I am using Quick Seal Plus Premium Kitchen and Bath Adhesive Sealant. It says that this fights against the odor causing bacteria, mold on the sealant, but you can buy any brand that is available in the Lowe's or Home Depot. Insert the caulk into the caulk gun and cut the tip according to the package direction. Now keep the nozzle between the painter's tape where you want to caulk. Apply some steady pressure to the trigger and smoothly move your nozzle down the entire length of the surface. You want to keep the gun moving at a consistent speed so the caulk does not thin out or pile up. After the caulk has been applied, you need to smooth the caulk. Press gently into the caulking line with your wet finger. In one continuous motion, drag your finger down the length of the seam to create a nice smooth surface. Now let the caulk dry for 24 hours or leave it overnight. The next day after it completely dried, we did notice some holes in the caulk. So we end up redoing the caulking again and let it dry for another 24 hours before removing the tape. After removing the tape, it perfectly turned out well. We are very happy with the result. As a first timer, it took almost 2 days to finish the job. The bathroom looks new and cleaner and no more hassle of scrubbing the mold. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, and see you in another interesting video. Thank you.